to us next weekend is the Sarasota one. It's probably bigger, but
probably on the water.
Still excited to see this one. Yeah, this one's not on the water. It's got the Sarasota one said it was on the marina and at the marina and also on land. So
probably test them out. Go around the ground. That's what I do. Just with mouse boats.
We rented mouse boats a long time ago when they had mouse boats at Disney Springs. It was a lot of fun, but you know, they had their rules and stuff, and they're like, you know, stay away from the edge, kind of like over where Saratoga is right now, right? And
Captain Vince decided I can do what I want.
and the way the water, like, it came down, the water came down, or the land came down into the water. It happened, it was like cement, and it had like these bubbles or these like ridges that came down. And so when you got too close, it was like da -da 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 -da. So it made like this really loud sound. So it sounded like we were not only hitting bottom, but we were making this really loud rubbing sound of on the boat. We're like, oh my gosh, we were on the ground. It was a lot of fun though.
We got reprimanded.
Probably why they don't do those mouse boats anymore. Probably why they don't have them anymore.
We saw that.
That's why Disney can't have nice things. That was a lot of fun.
Disney can't have nice things. Does Disney know that?
Huh?
Disney know they can't have nice things? They got some pretty nice things.
Yeah, they have nice things. Well, maybe one. Or maybe a cause as to why they had to get new things.
They can't maintain nice things.
Get that nice boat and get ready to go out, just take me with you.
Make sure we bring some.
Yeah. $10. Okay. Change. You get the change they just gave me. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. And let me get you 2 tickets. How's everybody doing today?
Good.
Good. It's a beautiful sunny day.
How are you doing?
Listen, I'm good, but if I was fishing, it would be better. You know, you guys enjoy the show.
Thanks. Have a good day.
10?
Yes, sir.
There we go. You can go in there.
What did I need these tickets for?
You want to go slow as you can. You got a single engine, just like this.
We also are developing another class. That's a big one.
Yeah, they might have gotten one for, you know.
See that one? Mm-hmm. That's a big one.
Big boy.
That's your big boy, yeah. Ooh, look at that color. Here's our color we want for our boat.
Yeah, we're going to have a real big problem.
Why don't we just take this one?
ProGlider
Look at how huge. Look at the size of that motor. That's huge. That's a beaut, Clark. You get a hat, babe? They got a visor for you. You get another Yamaha one. So we look on the left.
Okay.
Look, that looks like it would cut through the water. Look how clean it is.
That's a Grady.
Let's look at this little T one. I like how it's got the color inside it. Oh yeah.
This is
What's that? And what is it in there?
toilet probably.
Really?
Put a porta potty in no toilet.
That's a nice seat. The gray and the teal is pretty
Nothing
together.
to the boat. See what I'm saying?
I noticed this is what they have a lot for rent in the Keys. Like, there's not much seating on the ones that I was looking at to rent. I guess they're meant more for fishing. But, because I was like, where are you going to sit and relax? What is it?
Straight seats cut in. That splashback. Just boat jets.
Oh. Oh, really? That's what that does? That's cool.
This is
This one? Oh, I like the seat in the back. Like a couch seat. It's a pretty blue one too. It's a what?
28.
Wow. I can't believe it's that expensive.
Hmm?
I can't believe it's that expensive.
That's what I told you. Boating's not cheap.
So what do you think a payment is for that?
$1,000.
$1,000 payment?
Finance it for 20 years.
Jeez. I just hope we don't have any car payments or...
Most of the people that are buying these boats, that's their business. You know what I mean? They're captains, they're charter captains.
I'd make it my business. None your
But
business.
that's why they can do it, because that's where they're making their money. Some people just have money to burn and they just go out and want a toy.
Okay, let's go look at the blue Pioneer.
I like the brown.
Yeah, the tan and the teal is pretty.
Kind of torn on the bimini top and teacup. I like the bimini because it covers more.
Beautiful color. See, we should do something like this. Do like a retro, but a retro font
I like
with the silver.
I like this.
Yeah, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. I actually like the
brown
tan.
combination.
Yeah, kind of nice color combination. I like Islander. That's pretty cool.
That ain't bad. 65. It's not a bad price actually for a brand new boat.
The one next to it's 44. No,
And you
NauticStar.
get the trailer. Yes, this is a nice boat.
Mm-hmm. Is there a bathroom in there?
Probably not. That was way off.
Oh, that thing's hot. I just bumped into that, like, my leg.
This ain't out of
No, I didn't think that was actually a bad price for it.
I was expecting all these boats to be $100 grand or more. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. It doesn't have the decking on it that we like.
I don't really want a big boat. I want something manageable. That's perfect right there.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's I think that was a 19-foot, 18-foot. With the trailer. I really have to think about that.
I have to think about that. Is this another T one?
But here's the thing. You can't do both.
Oh,
You know
look.
what I'm saying?
What? What do you mean? Can't do both what?
So that we found a cheap one to break it.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, oh yeah. I like the colors. Boy, this is pretty.
That one's a 19
Pretty, pretty.
780.
I really like the tan with the teal. I think that's pretty.
But I like
Right
the
here.
teal under the top.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, Vinny, look, this is what we wanted to do on the back. For some shade.
Well, I don't know. We have.
Do they sell those? Or do they just make that?
They're easy to make.
That's cool. That's what we need.
Stuff those in the rod holder. They're using the tension of the bars to keep it taut. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Dual sinks in the bathroom.
Nice.
Shower. Yeah,
Nice.
it's a nice unit.
It's a fifth wheel?
Trying to sell it out there.
Yeah. Ryan's over there. He's with the customer right now.
Ooh, that's a pretty blue.
It's a 25 footer.
Oh, I love that. That blue and white. It's
25 footer with twins on it.
What? Look at this. That's
I
nice.
like two-tone.
I love this blue though. This blue's great. Oh, there's another teal one.
Gets a little difficult when you're that far away from me to take care of you as much as I'd like to, but if you're willing to work with it, I'm willing.
Estimated payment, see?
Oh, does that have it on there?
$955 for 100,000.
So where's the other one that we were looking at?
I talked to you earlier. You asked about maybe getting on the. You're never going to do.
If we do it, yeah.
620.
620.
180 months.
Let's look at
what's 100?
this one next door
What's
too. I want to see
180
what this one is.
12, 24, 30, 40,
Nice.
60.
Let's look at this one.
It's against my because of toxins.
Right there, huh? You know, and this is what we,
Yeah,
what we do.
this is a nice size right here.
But I mean,
What's the
this
seating?
Is, this is what we enjoy.
Right. What's the seating like in the front?
The last time I went there, somebody she told me
Good video of this one.
Do I have to take my shoes off? What? Oh wow. Ooh, this looks so comfortable, doesn't it? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you would put a portage on.
Yeah. Very comfy.
You'd put a portage on. There's no toilet.
Oh really?
Portage, but there's a shower in there.
What? No way.
This is nice.
What's back there?
It's all your electronics.
Oh, okay. So they don't get wet. I like the Islander name.
20 foot. It's perfect for us.
Sit over here. I know this is a hot seat.
The only thing I would change about this is I want more bimini. I want more shade.
Could you do what they did? Or can you get bigger bimini?
I would, yeah,
You can get a large one?
That's what I told mom and dad last night. I want more shade on the next one. Everything.
I like
if you don't
the-
want it, you put it down. You
I like the
want it?
diamond pattern in the seats.
This is nice. Very nice. It's perfect for what we. Radio, see? JL audio too. Nice. Nice Garmin truck plugger. Plenty of room for other stuff. It's got trim tabs already on it. See it? Trim tabs are already on it. No, that is, right?
Mm-hmm. I thought that, isn't that stabilizing?
Yeah, that's what. When Chris is going and he straightens the boat out. This is nice. I really like this. I like, look at this.
They come out?
These will come out. They might. They're pretty stout too. All JL audio stereo. Just a stereo one there. You can put in. JL audio.
I'm gonna go on this other one over here and look too.
I like this one.
I do. I like this a lot.
Do a live well?
Can you hold this? Oh.
Let's see if there's a live well.
Aren't I standing on it? Or no? Something back there. What's this that I'm standing on?
That's just probably story.
What? Like a dry storage? Like where do you put your ice and stuff under? Up here? What?
So relax, I'm on the hook for a while. I feel like there's anything under here, which is unusual. This is probably all storage underneath here. See your ladder right there?
Can you hold this a second?
See
Thank
it?
you.
There's a ladder hanging off the back right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Little tiny little trim tabs on it. See the ladder? Both sides.
Oh, that's nice.
The handle. It's nice.
Yeah, I like that. This is a nice one.
Were you looking at the one particularly? You got a white and blue one?
620, 64,000. I like this shape though. You know what I mean? It looks retro, like you said. Easy finance option. Hand selected bank with millions to life. Yeah, make it happen today.
No, Vinny, not happening today. It's our first boat show. It's our first boat show. Vinny wants to buy the first thing he sees.
It's not the first one we like.
Well, no, but you know, we got Sarasota too to go next weekend. We gotta see what's there. We gotta look at all our options. We're just getting our feet wet.
Literally. Yeah, I'll make it.
Hey, don't
But
be.
it does have a
Don't be a
live
hater.
one. Got a big center tank.
You gotta inspect, because you're not gonna know what's out there if you don't. I like this up front, like more room. I like this for room for your feet. You what?
Carry on.
What'd you say?
I found the live well.
I like this where it's notched like this. It's easier to walk around in.
No toilet. No room.
No.
Nothing here for getting out of.
Does this come with a Walmart bag? That's a really nice feature.
It's kind of cool. This lockable storage compartment. I don't like this. All the space is already used. You know what I mean? No room for me to add anything.
All right, we can move along. I just, you know, when you're shopping for something expensive like this, you want to see all your options.
Spending 80 grand.
It almost looks like the Pioneer. Hello.
What's this one? What's this one?
See, I think this has the swing out.
Look, man.
709.
Okay. I like the way the hard tops look, though.
I like the seating. See that?
Oh, yeah, that's nice. cup holders.
Folds out. This goes away. But no way to get inside these. I want to get inside them.
You do want to get inside them?
Yeah. They usually put
I do like the extra room for the feet. You know, like there's more people you can sit like that when it's notched.
See if that's spot for a table.
Yeah, I like that.
I like this.
Oh yeah.
Cubbies here. Yeah, put your life preservers up in there. So they're not in the way.
Right. Well, this would be unexpected. We're looking for a Craig cat and we end up with the actual boat.
Well, like I just said, no reason why you can't have both if you found a reasonable Craig cat. I mean,
Right.
for us to go into the skinny,
Yeah.
we go out in that. If we want to take other people out, we go out in this.
Right. Thanks.
But I'm
That one's 78.
pleasantly surprised that it was way off of what I thought was going to be.
Mm-hmm.
The whole thing. Yeah, very thin.
Yeah, they do. I really like it painted teal underneath like that.
I don't know if I like that other
But I
color.
really like the white. I mean, the chrome is nice, but I really like when they're white like that. The
Yeah. I agree.
what does that one say?
Ooh, I'm loving that. Look at that live well. Look how big that is.
Yeah, I could just sit in there and relax and eat some water.
Okay, so that, I
A little
like
hot tub there.
this. See this here? See this is for your tackle, built in. It.
Mm-hmm.
You know what this is?
No.
Put your cooler on it, slide it underneath.
No
it.
way. Really?
See?
That's cool.
Like that. You strap the cooler down to this. You just put it on here and then slide it under. It locks in. See?
Yeah.
And you can actually lock. Oh, I guess not. Oh, it's got access. Side access. Yep. Got room for a porta john.
So how does that work though? Like a porta john?
You just you have to clean it out after you use it.
You just dump it like a kid's potty?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Fold away seat. That's kind of cool.
See, I like the V shape in the front, like this boat next to us, rather than this. I wonder if you have options to pick it like that.
I like how they
See
do all
that? I like that over this.
I like how they do the bow rails. Bow rails.
This looks like it's cream color, right? Is it cream in here?
I guess
It doesn't look like white, like a bright white. But I do love the teal top. But I think I
They
would
should
like
make-
this white.
Why don't they start making these bigger?
Yeah.
Cover them up.
Yeah, they should.
Mhm.
Well, didn't you see that thing that was like retractable?
Yeah, sure shape. I have one.
Yeah. That's what you need.
I like the lights built in. The lights built in and everything. We got the spots. See with these right here? These are for outriggers. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Outriggers are for fishing.
And what does that do?
It's
Stabilize?
for deep water fishing.
Wait, what is that going to do?
You put like a ton of weight on there and it just...
Oh, on the out of it?
Yeah.
You're fishing off the outrigger?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought that was for stabilizing.
a nice, good sized drum. Look, see that? I like that.
Mm-hmm.
A lot more space.
Yeah.
How you two doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Well, you went up 3 feet from the last one.
Yeah, we're working our way
Just
down.
keep coming down.
We're looking at all our options here.
Yeah, absolutely. Is there any questions you guys have or anything so far?
Well, okay, so I do have a question. Like this, I don't know if this is the same boat next door. I haven't even looked yet, but
Yeah.
do you have the option of picking that kind of seating for the front if you wanted like a V shape rather
On this
than this
model?
Mhm.
No.
No, gotcha.
This is how it's made. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Good question though.
Yeah, just curious.
I wish. That'd
Yeah.
be cool.
Yeah.
It's with production boats, we get
It
them
is how
as
the
they
mold-
make them.
Yeah.
The mold is the mold.
Gotcha.
The mold is the mold.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Well, you're making it easy on me. That's all you
Yeah,
got.
I know.
Well,
let
have
you know.
fun.
Thank you.
How does the financing work?
So financing, the rates right now are about 7% and up. The standard rec loan is 15-year term. That's 180 months. But if it goes over 60,000, you can go for a 240-month term, which is 20-year. Typically, it's 10% down of the purchase price after tax. That's what they're going to want. You can obviously do more if you'd like. And then the rate and payment's going to all roll up based upon all that, and that's what you get presented.
Okay.
So
So what was the cutoff? 60 to go up to
60,000.
Goes up. You can go up to a higher term.
Yes, which makes payments more manageable. You know,
Mhm, right.
that additional time will shrink the payment.
Absolutely. I like that Pioneer. Is that
Pioneer,
part of you?
nice. Yeah.
It's just
Especially
the
that little
package.
that one up there, that 20-foot is really nice.
I like. It's got for a smaller boat. It's still got to where you can put the porta potty in.
Yeah, right. There's a lot of room in that head actually, and it runs really. It's a nice ride.
I forgot to look. What power plant is on it?
It's a 150 Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Yeah, 150.
Is there any options there?
I mean, you can get a Yamaha or a Suzuki or even a Mercury on them, but we're a Yamaha and Suzuki dealer, so we order all ours with just
Would that change the price point at all?
Yes.
If you put a Yamaha?
Yeah, about $4,000 at least.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
And what company?
Big toy.
You got a car?
That's what it is, big toy.
Yeah.
Right? The older you get, the bigger the toys. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Have
Thank you.
fun.
Thank
You're
you.
more welcome aboard. I'm Donnie.
All right, Donnie.
Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you too.
Nice to meet you.
Just holler. We're around.
Okay. Thank you. Nice.
That would be at 3 p.m., sir. Did you buy your $120,000 raffle ticket?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
The gray on the other one, right?
Look at that.
It's gray.
$254 a month.
Yeah.
No, the other one is a white interior with red
I can't. It's so bright out here. I can't tell.
This was blue.
40,000.
Yeah.
And the sides are gray.
Yes, they'll all have it.
They all have the gray.
Yeah,
So
that's
it's
gonna be
just
this one.
whatever this color
Huh?
is.
I bring
That's
it
what
on
those
the
inserts
inside.
are.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
These look like more fishing boats here.
Portsmouth.
So sports consistent.
It's a little T1.
Yeah, there's the guy.
We're not looking for it.
Uh-huh.
This is my me time.
Oh, geez.
Me time.
Well, that's a big sale you could.
Cost yourself $100.
Right.
See, this is a sea change. This is a Chris wants.
Oh, it is?
These are smaller.
So where do you put your add seating to this or what?
See, right here.
Oh, okay. Well,
This is smaller.
yeah.
Well, that's it. This is a 20-foot hybrid HFC. This is. See, water down in there.
Now the main's there, right? It's like built in?
It's built. He's got a
Yeah.
20.
Okay. I didn't know they made them like that. Or it's like a...
See, this is a small one. 221, 20-foot, 478.
That's a low payment. I would have thought it would have been a lot more. have a lot of room in them, don't they?
These are Carolina
They have a lot of room.
The Carolina skip though. It's more of a flat bottom. I like flat water.
Down in the back country. Godfrey.
That's basically her.
Aqua patio.
Marine,
I like that aqua patio.
Yeah, people have trouble getting in too, so anytime we can set you up in this thing.
Short Road is on Pine Island.
Okay.
The Chris's ex-wife's dad is down.
All right. The company? Oh, look, Benny, here's the picture. It's the artist right here. This is the picture we want. I mean, not that scale, but that big, but I wouldn't mind it that big. That's something, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Might be.
Nice stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Very cool. Oh, look at that, Ben. He's got his artwork on the trailer. Very nice.
So this is an inflatable, feel that.
I know, they're tough. Man, I didn't expect it to be this hot. Whew. Should have brought a hair tie.
There you go.
Here, Ben.
Very interesting looking stick.
Hey there.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
No, this is a pen. I know you like to eat anything. Anything.
Fill out about 8,000.
8,000 of them. We have people do the funniest things with them. They'll like write winner on the back of them. I've seen them crumble them up and then fold all the corners. It's very funny. A little side-by-side catamaran. And we make them right here in Port Charlotte too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right off of Peachland. Right next to the big concrete plant. It's all fiberglass, goes about 30 miles an hour with a 40 horsepower on the back, which feels a whole lot faster when you're a couple inches off the water.
Yeah,
Is it okay to take a pen?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
And there's a steering stick in the middle, so it maneuvers kind of like an airboat. All right, I'll call you Sunday when you win.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much.
You going Sunday? Are you really?
Yep. That's when the show's over.
How much?
So 25 for my standard model with the 30 horsepower, and then the Fisher model goes for 30. As this one sits, it's about 33 with the trailer and all the accessories.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Color combinations.
So we've got a color sheet over there. That's kind of my show special. You get to pick what color you want for free. What are you doing? So lime green is what comes standard because we like bright colors. You're a small boat. You want to be seen out there, but you can pick any colors when it comes to the wings.
That awesome. One, yeah, I'm excited to build one that color.
Yeah,
it's
that's
gonna be really
cool.
cool.
Yeah, I like you got the
For you, we can do it. Can be done.
Yeah.
So we actually have a seafoam
That's
one
awesome.
happening this summer. Yep, it's gonna look really nice.
Sweet.
Currently, what's your turnaround?
So right now we're building them in about 8 days. But
Really?
yep, start to finish. But I'm quoting December delivery dates. I got 52 on order. So it's been going really well. We've only been in production for about 2.5 years. So I got 47 out in the world and I got 52 on order.
Now, the way this is rigged right now.
Yep.
33.
33.
With the trailer.
With the trailer, yep. Yep, all custom built to order. This one is pretty much bare bones. The only accessory it has, besides the trailer, is the sea decking. This one has the sea decking, the aft storage deck, the sound bar, rear boarding ladder, sea deck, trolling motor, fiberglass box.
Do you have a place where you let people like try them?
Absolutely, yeah. I gave them my card, so if you guys ever want to see trial it, I'll take you out of the water. Okay. We have one. We usually have the demo boat in Cape Hayes at my boss's house, so we cruise out to Boca Grande, spend an afternoon out there. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. Perfect. So you'll appreciate everything about this. Yeah. It's not easy to do. And honestly, that's someone who really appreciates all
this is a lot higher than a
It
craig
is.
cat, right?
It sits up about 5 inches off the water, whereas the craig cat's about 2.5.
They probably less splash too.
All fiberglass too.
Yeah.
And the bow of the boat, how it planes upwards too. Once you're up on plane in about 2.5, 3 seconds, it's such a dry ride.
You're putting 40s on it?
In 50s. You can go up to a 50.
Oh
yep.
boy.
What does that do for the price?
So 50 is like $2,800. Yeah. So not bad.
What does that put you as far as top speed?
So 27, 28 miles an hour for a 30. The 40 goes roughly about 30, 31, and the 50 goes about 35. So you're not getting much difference from it, and you're going to burn a little bit more fuel. So most of my customers stick with the 40s.
And what power plants are you using?
What, Tohatsus.
Are they Tohatsus?
Yep, Tohatsus.
Any options here?
So we might get a Honda OEM set up down the line, but we like the Tohatsus. They're fuel efficient, super lightweight. The whole boat itself is 780 pounds with the engine. So
The portion is remote too, isn't it?
yeah, absolutely.
It
And it has your
lowers it?
anchor and everything. So you can do your spotlight. Yep, spotlight.
that's nice.
Communicates with your
Yeah.
GPS as well.
Yeah.
So if you did get a GPS depth finder, so if you did a GPS depth finder, it mounts right here at eye level. So you have everything. It has all of your NEMA data, so it's communicating with your engine as well.
What are you using?
We use a Garmin Echo Map 94 SV.
What screen is it?
9-inch.
Oh, is it?
Yep. And the 9-inch is big. It's all touchscreen too. Oh, it's ideal. You can do a 7-inch one as well, like if you didn't want it so intrusive, but the 9-inch is great. And then versus the craig cat, you've got a whole entire sealed off steering assembly here, so you don't have so much salt corrosion. All of your lights are right here. You've got a USB charging port here, cell phone holder here. Crazy loudspeaker. And then you got your 2 cup holders here, davit rings. You have this forward davit ring and you have 2 back davit rings. 5 inches floating and then 10 inches trimmed down. 14 inches all the way down to the skeg, but 10 inches typically what you're running it in. Yeah. You don't have to worry about it. Yep. Trim it on up, turn it. Trim it up, turn it. So the nice thing here, trim it up on that side. I'm going to turn it.
So you pushed it back.
Yep.
It
Exactly.
won't come in contact.
Yeah, that's nice too.
Some like additions that we've done since our first models that we started, we added this right here because we were noticing, yeah, it had a lot of spray back, and so we did that. Each section is I'm so bad with that word. Each section has its own compartment, so if you were to fracture a hole in here, the whole boat can't fill up with water or sink because it only is in one compartment here. Well, let me show you this anchor over here. I don't know if y'all seen this before. So we used these for the craig cats back in the day. And I love them. They're so lightweight, a little sand doctor anchor. So this clips to your forward U-ring and then it steps down so it's flush. No tripping over a big anchor, and it's just lightweight.
Did you put that in the beach?
Just put it right on the beach. Yep.
Very cool.
And it comes with like a little tiny mount, so you just put it right behind your seat. So this,
It's a lot more stout.
it's way more stout. And you can use it as a point of contact. So when you're walking to the stern of the boat, you walk along this, you can stand back there, do whatever you need to do.
So it is stable to where you can walk all the way around?
All the way around it. You know, if you're ever, trying to cruise out to the sandbar on a canal, you can put a third person right there. It's 2 people or 600 pounds. So you guys got plenty of extra space. Or price. Like, they're so comfortable.
Yeah.
Shock absorbent. You hit a boat wake at the wrong angle, you're not feeling it.
Right.
You're higher than the craig cat, your knees are in.
Right. And you don't have water coming in by your foot wells, so that's nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. And we met a company on the Bonita show, and they have a bimini top extension. So that goes about out to here. So if you're at the sandbar or something, you want a little extra coverage, we have that too. And you feel the stability when you're out there too. All right, call you Sunday when you win. All right, talk to you then. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, big difference.
You're up a little higher.
Yeah.
I see the way
spring.
it's designed.
Yeah.
It's got some.
It's my favorite difference between the two boats.
Nice, yeah.
You're sitting on the deck.
And what I like about the Pride Cat is that you can move the seat. You know, if you're only doing one person and you want to put a cooler there, you can. But you feel every bump.
Right.
Every bump on the water.
Nice.
Trim down, 14 all the way. And it fits in the standard garage perfectly still.
Very nice.
Yeah, magic tilt. So this was our initial price. And super lightweight. The whole boat on the trailer is 1,200 pounds.
Thank you so much for
Oh my gosh,
talking to
of
us.
course.
Appreciate it. What is this? Oh, it's up there. How much?
124.
Oh, really? I thought we were more than that.
I really like that Pioneer.
The little one.
Smaller boat. A lot of features that only the bigger boats have. You know what I mean? The little bathroom, shower inside there.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
There's another sea chaser.
Yeah. Oh. Are these older ones? Are these older? Yeah, I don't know how people do it. I'm cooking right now. What's that? Okay. Oh yeah, this is the way we came in. I said this is the way we came in. Very light teal. It's pretty. But I really like the tan with the teal and white. That's a nice color combination.
Pioneers. Checked all my boxes. I like that extra strip of rub rail, made it look retro.
These are used boats up here, man. Look at this. Yeah, blue and white one's nice. Board with salesperson only. Because they're owned by somebody, so you can't get on them.
Like the trailer, the trailer's nice.
Let's see if anyone else see you next to it. You match it.
You can sit on it, and you put these up, and they're leaning. See? I like the padding all the way around it. Inside.
I like to see these. These right here, they're huge. How many feet you think that is?
Huh?
How many feet you think it is? So Dr. Case is a 35. Where do you see it? Oh, that's how many feet? Oh, we were over here, were we?
28. This is 26.
Oh, that's right. We were over here, I think, before.
This one's 26. This one's 28.
It's hard to imagine. This is pretty long. I can imagine Dr. Lacase's boat is 35. I can imagine. That's crazy.
He's probably got back there, so that's a 32.
Right back here?
No, I own that boat.
Holy.
That's not a cat. Two of those.
Alright. There's it's like a floating house, huh? I just want to peek. Oh, that's beautiful though. That is really comfy. Just reviewing the information that we were given from the show here. Sorry, it's a little shaky. If you go on ProGlider's website, they can give you all the specs of everything that's on here. But we were just kind of amazed by it. It is a really nice boat, really well made. It is far superior to the Craig Cat. We're used to Craig Cats. We love them. But this ProGlider was made really nice, has a lot of nice features to it. The only thing I would have to say is at this point in time, because it is such a new company and it is really well made, the price point is much higher than the Craig Cats. So not sure that's something that we could do right now, but maybe it would be something in the future once more boats get out there and made, and then other people sell theirs and the price comes down. That would be something more doable. But I would love to go take a test run of it. She was saying that they do that, so that would be a lot of fun to go try it out. Actually, she said there was a place in the Keys that does it. They have like rentals in the Keys, and that would be awesome to try it down there. So that would be something we'd like to try. And yeah, at this point, you know, we just want to get out on the water. And I think if you're just looking to get out in the water and enjoy yourself, Craig Cat is great for that. It's not that expensive. You can find used ones, very inexpensive. And even the newer Craig Cats are cheaper than the ProGlider. But I get it, I understand. The ProGlider is a new business and they are made way better. You can just tell when you go up to it. Everything is just, the quality of it is amazing. It really is an amazing boat. And they're just gonna get better and better at it. So like I said, it'd be fun to go try them. I do a test run on the water, and I look forward to doing that sometime, maybe making a video of that. We really appreciate the time they took to explaining everything to us today. She really went into great detail, letting us know everything about the ProGlider, so we really do appreciate that. We really are getting our feet wet, so to speak, in looking at all these boats. Our dream is to get a larger boat to take the family out on, and then use the Craig Cat to take in the shallow waters in the Keys and just have fun together. We really fell in love with that Pioneer boat today, and if you haven't noticed, anything teal we're drawn to. So we look forward to more boat shows ahead. Thanks for joining us today on this beautiful Florida sunshiny day.